Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat wallpaper, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here, and just we will give all the required permission which is needed, and after that just go to the chat section. So basically, if I just click on any of my friend chat, and you can see the background is completely white, right? So if I just want to have a customized background, a customized wallpaper, so you have to just click on the name. It means we have to just go to the profile ID of your friend, and after that you can see our chat, and here you will see option of that is called wallpaper. So basically you can see that this is a Snapchat Plus. So this is not free, it's a premium, you have to pay for, right? So you have to pay for Snapchat Plus, and after that you'll get it, and after that you can customize the wallpaper of your certain friend, of your certain friends, right? So basically you can have a different wallpaper for this friend, and after that you can have another wallpaper for the another friend, and after that it's pretty easy, right? So here you can see that if I just click on here, you can see that this kind of a wallpaper I will get, and after that I can just add my own custom icon and many of the features which you will get in Snapchat Plus, and you can see the prices written here. In your country it can be different, right? So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.